Hey, what's good all my trader homies? It's your boy Kevin from Touchdown Trades, your trading BFF. Drum roll please. It's that time of the week. Time for the top 5 penny stocks to buy right now. It's a video where we go over the top penny stocks that are setting up for swing trades for the upcoming week. As retail traders, we love trading penny stocks because of the potential for massive moves and huge returns. Trading penny stocks can be extremely rewarding because of the volatility that they offer. But to be successful, you have to be able to look for the right setups and manage your risk properly. You cannot buy and hold. You cannot be a bag holder. A bag holder is someone who just buys. They don't care about the setup. They just buy into the company on dreams that it's going to explode, and they don't follow the price action or look at the chart, and they hold no matter what, just hoping and praying that the stock goes up. We cannot do that. We have to trade these volatile stocks with precision. Like a tiger stalking his prey, walking through the jungle. When he finally sees his prey, the little antelope walking through the jungle, the tiger pounces out of the bushes, grabs the antelope, and that's how we have to trade these penny stocks. I have ran the Sunday penny stock scan, and I have found 5 A+ penny stock swing trading setups. So these are the top 5 penny stocks to trade right now. All right, trader homies, so let's get into the charts here and take a look at these top 5 penny stocks to swing trade for the upcoming week. Ticker number 1 is going to be this AFMD. It is a biotech company that works on developing immunotherapy technologies for cancer. It is a ticker that has pretty good volume, averaging over 1 million shares per day, and has a float of about 80 million shares. So let's take a look at the chart here, and we can see that we've broken out and we are kind of consolidating here over the last week or so into a bull flag. And I really like this setup because we've just broken out of a very valid level. We can see we had trouble getting over that level right here in this area. We finally broke out over it, and we are currently pulling back into it. So I love when a stock breaks out of a level that has given it trouble in the past, and then it starts to consolidate over that level. I like to get long as we pull back into it and then look for the breakout up above. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get long this AFMD, risking off this 375 level, a daily close below that level, not like a wick and then you risk getting juked out, but a daily close below that level, and I'll stop out. And I'm going to be looking for an average price probably around $4 on some pullbacks, and I'm going to look for the move back up towards $4.60 for my first take profit, and then a break of the highs, $5 for the rest of my position. That is this AFMD. So let's move on to ticker number 2. All right, guys. So the second company is another drug company, another cancer biotech company. SURF is the ticker, Surface Oncology. And the chart is setting up. Let's take a look at it. So we had the breakout, right, over another level, another valid level. And you have the flagpole put in here on crazy amount of volume, and it has since been kind of pulling back and testing that level, and it held. So we are now consolidating in a bull flag, and I'm going to get long, risking off $5. $5 is a risk, and we want to see a move back up to fill this wick. This is a intraday gap, okay? So you have this wick is what we want to see filled right here. So we want $5 as our support, and we want to see it come back up towards $7 a share, and we'll be peeling off profits along the way. I like the setup. That is trade number 2, SURF is the ticker. Let's move on to trade number 3. All right, guys, so this trade number 3 is going to be on DVAX, DVAX, and this is a vaccine company, a biotech company that works on vaccines for hepatitis and other diseases using immune therapy boosters. And why I like this trade, probably my favorite trade of the bunch, is the chart looks good, right? We have support that we've broken over, and we're consolidating in a bull flag, my favorite setup, and also it's a vaccine company. In the day and age that we're trading in right now, the Rona age, this company could come out with a PR at any time saying they're starting to do trials on a Rona vaccine, or they're even considering doing it, and this thing is up 100% in a day. So not only do we have a great chart setup with the breakout over that previous resistance and now a consolidation pattern where we could very well get a move back up without any news or PR, but the day and age we're trading in, it's a vaccine company, which gives it that extra boost. Look at this volume. Why do you think this volume has increased versus back here? Because traders know that any vaccine company could come out with a PR and it's going to go to the moon. So I'll be watching this DVAX. I like it. So the trade on this would be risk, using this level as our risk, maybe the 725 area, and looking for this bull flag to hold and for it to bounce back up and break through $10 a share. So that is trade number 3. Let's move on to trade number 4. All right, this trade number 4 is going to be on this FFHL. It's a Chinese plastic manufacturer, and it is a day trading favorite in the penny stock world. If you guys day trade penny stocks, you've heard of this ticker before. It is known for making huge spikes intraday and then selling off, right? So we got a ton of spikes and then typically selling off. But what's different is we have this move here, right? And it's not selling off like it typically does. It's held this $5 support and it's basing out. We do have this huge wick, but short sellers who typically short this stock anytime it pops, because you get the pop and then you get the drop, are stuck in this. So any short who got short on this day right here, on this huge volume day, is still stuck in this thing. So it's basing out. So we have a defined risk of $5 per share. And if this thing starts to take off, it can really let loose, and we could break this $10 level in one single day. So I'm going to be watching this. If volume starts to come in, I'm going to hop on, and I'm going to look for the ride, start taking profits up near $8 a share. Now, this is a company that trades lower than typical volume than I like to trade. The average volume is only 600,000 shares per day. So we do need to be careful on our position sizing and be watching the time and sales to make sure the order flow is going through when we get in the trade. This is not one where I really want to hold it for more than 1 or 2 days. I'm going to be looking for the volume to start coming in and for it to start breaking out of this consolidation here, and then I'll hop on and look for a quick little boost on a smaller position. All right, traders. So the 5th and final trade is going to be on this LLNW. This LLNW, Limelight Networks, is a software company that builds and manages websites and other forms of content delivery systems. And I really like the chart on this one. Let's take a look at it. This thing trades pretty decent volume, about 1.5 million shares a day, a market cap of almost $1 billion. So it's not really a penny stock, but it's lower in price, so I wanted to include it. And the chart is really setting up nice. We've been trading in an uptrend for a while now, and we've just broken over this level here, this $7 level. And it is doing the typical bull flag setup where it came back, retested the level. We're getting consolidation, and we're going to get long, risking off the $7 level, looking for a break. $8.50 first target, $8.75, and then $9. So it's setting up good, really good volume on this one, and the chart is looking nice. So I do like to trade on this LLNW. I hope you guys like some of my swing trades that I'm watching for next week. If you got anything out of the video, I'd really appreciate if you hit the like button. It helps me out tremendously, helps me grow the channel. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. I really appreciate the view, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
What's up?